Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. In a new tab, open your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Integrations section in HubSpot. Look for the Mailchimp integration option. Click on the Mailchimp integration to proceed. You will see the option to connect your Mailchimp account. Click on the Connect Account button. A new window will appear asking for your Mailchimp API key. To find your API key, go back to your Mailchimp account. Click on your profile name in the bottom left corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account settings, go to the Extras drop-down. Choose API keys from the options provided. If you don't have an API key, click Create a Key. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Return to the HubSpot integration window. Paste the API key into the designated field. Click on the Connect button to establish the connection. Once connected, you'll see a success message. Now, you can configure the synchronization settings. Decide which lists and contacts you want to sync. Adjust the sync settings according to your preferences. Click Save to finalize your settings. Your HubSpot and Mailchimp accounts are now connected. You can start using the integration to manage contacts and campaigns seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.